New this morning, if you have a feeling someone is watching you on the roads, well, 9 times out of 10, they are. Dash cameras are gaining in popularity, and this is outside of law enforcement. But is it safe to have one in your own vehicle? Gabriela Garcia joins us this morning with what she learned from the experts. Gabriela?
Clay, good morning. So I talked to the Ohio State Highway Patrol's office, who says they've recently seen an uptick in personal dash cameras. Now, experts say it's not a bad idea to get one, but you need to view that possibility from both sides of the lens. December 23rd, 2022. A snowstorm ends with a deadly 46 vehicle crash on the Ohio Turnpike.
Because of the weather conditions and the snow, it made it very hard for troopers to determine exactly how that crash occurred.
Ohio State Highway Patrol Lieutenant Nathan Dennis says this dash cam footage taken from one of the vehicles involved helped piece together what happened that day. And he says they're not just helpful with big commercial vehicles.
We're starting to utilize those personal-owned dash cameras more to help us do our job.
They're helpful in investigating smaller crashes that could happen in your own car.
Whether that be a crash that happened in front of a vehicle that has a dash camera installed and they've submitted that video to us to utilize, or they were directly involved in the crash. We have taken that. Any point in time that you have an extra level of protection, it can be helpful.
Helpful especially if you're pressing charges.
This truck right here runs him off the road here.
Something personal injury attorney Jeff Klusner knows all about.
Often we have disputes about how a crash happened, who was at fault, and having a video of it is a very powerful tool for us. He does not have a dash cam.
Klusner says he's seen a lot of instances where ODOT video is the only available option to see what led up to a crash, which doesn't always show the whole picture.
I can't find any other video of that car. Any type of video or any type of evidence showing what happened in any particular crash can turn a potentially big case or a case where there's a dispute which is worth nothing into something that, depending on the injuries, millions of dollars.
He says dash cam footage helps you see what a license plate number is on a hit and run. It can show the other person involved in a crash running a red light or clearly speeding. Those factors all help your case, but your dash cam works both ways.
If you're the person that was driving distracted, if you're the person that was speeding, if you're a person that uses your cell phone when you drive, you may want to reconsider if you have a dash cam.
So Klusner says, the lawyer there, he also says everyone should drive defensively with or without a dash camera. Another tip here, though, don't keep dash cams on your windshield. That could distract you. So keep them on your actual dashboard. And if you're thinking about getting a dash cam for your car, I looked up a few prices online here. This one is Links Up on Links Up website. This is about $100 here. They really range in prices because over here on the Walmart's website, this one's about $91, but I found a super cheap one on Amazon. It's about, let's see, $30 here on Amazon. But, remember with these things, you kind of get what you pay for. Do your research. I have a few more links to a few more options on 10tv.com. Guys, back to you.